the Vanquish. Alright guys, I want to test the Vanquish out. I got the 21 turn motor with a 21 tooth pinion gear, 2S lipo. I also did all the shocks. I put 10 weight oil in them. So I want to see how they go. Let's test it out. Let's test it up this hill here real quick. Goes up the hill really good. Suspension works much better. Before it used to bounce around with the kit oil. So that's all I want to try this really quick. Flying now with this 21 turn. You can see. The suspension is way better, guys. With these CVA shocks, guys, you gotta put like 12, 10, 15 weight oil in them. They're too thick and creamy with the stock stuff they give you. Thing's ripping now. Whoa, ripping a little too much. Let's see how hot the motor gets. It's pretty quick. Taking this thing way too much off-roading here. Jesus. Shouldn't be going on that stuff with this buggy. It is fun though. Handles really good. Oh, cut down. Maybe overheating ASE. That's what it did in the park too with this 21 turn. And I just put the 21 tooth pinion gear in, so that makes it worse. Let me see the ASE if it's hot. Not that hot. And it's a little warm. Let's see if I shut it down, turn it on. She's working again. I guess the 21 turns a little bit too much for this. And I have the 2S lipo, unless this has some funky cutoff on something, I don't know. I don't think it does. The ESC don't have the lipo cutoff, so it shouldn't be doing this. Anyhow, I may upgrade the ESC to something else. But I am taking it off road, and this grass is really rough on it. I guess them burnouts got to it. I can't handle those burnouts. It's cool with the leaves. I think it feels good with the 21 turn motor. Just enough speed to have some fun. And boy, the suspension in it, it's working 100 times better, guys. Lighter oil. Look at her go through the leaves. Oh, baseball field. Yeah, that's a lot of strain on it with the grass and the leaves and stuff, so it's not shutting down here. It should be good for regular off-roading. Whoa, I just almost crashed this beauty. She's ripping, guys. Oh, what a wipeout. See how hot it is because that's, the motor's not that hot. That's more than 5 seconds. It's just starting to burn. Let me check the ESC. ESC is a little warm. You know what it is? This body doesn't let no airflow over the motor or the ESC, so that's kind of the problem. Look at that. Bent my antenna. That's funny. I wonder if you put some little vents in the body. Probably would work. Anyhow, she's working good. All right, that's it for the Vanquish Beauty. Whew, she's a beauty. She's working nice now. Upgraded shocks with the 10 weight oil, big difference. 21 turn motor, a lot more speed. It shut down that one time, but I think because I was burning out in circles like crazy, and it just shut it on and off, and it's been running fine ever since. Alright guys, if you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Leave me a like and a comment and all the good stuff. It helps my channel out. Shen RC, and we'll see you next time.
The Vanquish, highly precision model. Look at the suspension. It's a beauty.
It just shut down again. You can't handle them burnouts. Alright guys, we'll see you next time.